Welcome to another help video from Stairplan. This one shows a typical single winder staircase installation. The staircase will come part assembled, where you've got the upper and the lower section. The first thing to do is to put the newel posts on the staircase if you have balustrade. You can see that it's tenoned ready and ready with draw dowels. You need to glue the housings where the tread goes in, the nosing and the riser. You'll fix this by knocking in the two draw dowels, and that will tighten the newel onto the tenon. The nosing goes in, is on the string side and on the newel post side. You need to glue the groove underneath the nosing, ready to receive the riser. Glue along the back of the tread, all ready for the riser to be screwed and fixed in place. You'll start by screwing the back of the riser to the tread. You need to pre-drill the tread ready so it doesn't split. Screw the side of the riser to the string, and when you screw the side of the riser to the newel, make sure it's square with the tread so the newel is upright when it's all assembled. You need to start thinking about putting this into position now. So this would go from the trimmer joist at the top, where you'll need to trim your flooring back, because the top of the nosing will sit flush with your flooring upstairs. It'll go tight into the corner like this. We allow a couple of millimetres of clearance. The winder newel can go on then. This again, the housings for the tread and the riser need to be glued, and then you'll knock in your draw dowels to tighten it into place. It's always best to do a dry run first to make sure everything is going to go together in the right order. This is a standard detail, but they're always made to measure and things are made custom, so slightly different orders can be expected. Here you see in the mid winder tread, and now we've got the tread block to screw the winder tread to the string. We can put in that upper riser there on the mid winder tread. Again, make sure everything's glued, pre-drilled and screwed. You'll also screw where the riser meets the string in the corner and to the newel post. Now the upper section's done, we're going to move back to the lower section of stair. This particular one has got a winder tread at the upper run because it's outside the newel. We can put the bottom newel post on. Again, mortise the housing ready for the tread, then the riser also. You've got the draw dowels to tighten it into place. Make sure you glue the underside of the tread and everything ready for the riser. When we fix the riser, the string side will have a wedge, and on the face side we need to make sure we get the newel post square before we screw the riser to the newel, because that's what's going to keep that newel square. You want a really good fix in here. We can then use the glue blocks again, plenty of glue, pin those to the underside of the tread but make sure the pin doesn't come through the tread. And we can position this, and because this winder riser at the bottom there is outside the newel, that's all in place and we're ready to just slide this into the corner. So you'll line up the tread mortise with that winder tread that's already in place there. These are dowels just to get the exact line up on the strings. And also on the face side we'll also see that we need to be lined up for the tenon. So that all needs to be glued and slid in ready. Like I say, always wise to do a dry run on a winder staircase before you glue everything for this final assembly part. So we now need to deal with the draw dowels for this tenon. We've got the glue blocks, again plenty of glue. So now we come to the tread block under the mid winder tread. That screws in place, that keeps everything exactly tight and square in the corner there. The winder riser now, the last one, will go in. This again needs to be pre-drilled, screwed and glued. Glue blocks will also be used, plenty of glue again. And that there is the basic winder staircase assembled. Once it's assembled, you can start fixing it to the wall. Fixing is recommended to every other tread. For further assistance, call 01952 608 853. It is always recommended staircases are installed by experienced carpenters.